ka lempung ba jong ka jela ka Meghalaya game kan Sdang ha ka ni ka khanyu Tarik rumpang arajar arpho bat kan kut pat ka arpho Tarik uniu ju hi banai ya kan ni ka lempung yele ka lapnia da ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ha ka ba ki dun ka sautli ki cha chingle ka ba kan thup ya ka karate boxing athletics tennis swimming bat kwi we ya kan ni ka lempung on one man play parda do mentri rang ba ka jela konrat ke sangma haji and stadium pulo ha ka por gym step ha ka ba ni ran lang ru mentri ka transport ba bentai dileng do habai kran bat gilat pathai khobor uba John F Karsing working president ka MSOE lopan pau ko jing songo e ka sokar jela ka blasim khia ban penlong ya ka te lempung ba bat ha ka ju ko por kun tui ki pai ba bakin ai ka jing kersan na banta ka association khnang ba ka jing penlong jong ka te lempung kan long ka bachom bat ru ka penlong ka jing ai men sim na ka banta ki noi le ka ki pani simanta ha ka te lempung ki don hadu san spa repusan gut ki noi le ka kan thai bat khandai spa sabu prangut ki sinrang bat ha ka ju ko por ka sarkar ka lamang ban pulut iwi pen like lutun ka na ka banta ka te lempung ni le ka basan singi.
This is, I think, after a long time, one of the biggest sporting event in the state. We have just done some little bit of scrutiny in our files and found that the last Meghalaya Games was held in 2004. What many of our senior members are saying, there was one also prior to that. So probably this would be the third edition of the Meghalaya Games. So it is being held after 16 years. And we sincerely thank the government of Meghalaya, the sports minister, the honorable chief minister, the sports officials, the government for having supported this. This is a very crucial event in the sense that it gives hope and inspiration to the youth of the state. It gives hope and inspiration to the youth of the state. Besides, as you asked just now, this is like a test event. The Meghalaya Games will be something like a test event for the National Games. So we do hope to have another 2 more prior to the National Games, another 2 more, and I'm really looking forward to the athletes, to our young sporting athletes to take the opportunity of this Meghalaya Games, the state associations, and go forward and in preparing ourselves. Yes, we have conducted, I understand in 2004 we conducted 10 disciplines. This time we are conducting 14. And we hope that by the next one, we'll be able to prepare a roadmap to conduct all. Because as you're aware, we are supposed to host 36 disciplines. So some of them are already in preparation stage, transition stage. But as of today, we are here today to discuss the Meghalaya Games. We are very fortunate that the government has come out in supporting this. It's a big paradigm shift from after a long time to invest on the youth. And as we stated earlier, the Meghalaya Games, as we stated earlier, if you look from Khelo India, the Khelo India Games held in Guwahati 2020, if we do an analysis and find that Mizoram invests in the total allocation to the state associations is in terms of 2.5 crores approximately annually. That investment has given them results now, because Mizoram, in the ranking of states in India, out of 37 states, Mizoram became 21st, while Meghalaya is 35th out of 37. So this investment by the government of Meghalaya, it is not probably that you can achieve results by tomorrow, but definitely, if we continue with this kind of support, I'm very sure we will be able to produce Olympians to go to the Olympics 2028. I'm very confident that if the state government gives us the right support, the vision of MSOE is to produce Olympians. So to produce Olympians, one has to invest. So we see other states who invest. They bring a lot of change in the society, bring a lot of change in the community, and so on and so forth. So once again, I would also take this opportunity of requesting to the people, the citizens of Meghalaya, to kindly come and encourage the children of the state on the opening day to be together with them.